A large number of young employees join the workforce every year. For them to develop and grow professionally, they need feedback. However, not all employees and managers are properly trained in giving and receiving feedback. That is why, together with Universum, I created Robot Training Lab. Robot Training Lab is a training tool through which the participants of team building events learn about giving and receiving feedback in the workplace. The structure is similar to a course with 3 parts and exercises. In the theory parts, the users learn about what feedback is, why it is important in the workplace, how to give effective feedback, and the steps they should take to ensure an appropriate reaction. The exercises are opportunities for the users to apply the new knowledge. As this is a team building activity, the users need to communicate and work together to solve them. At the end, the users discuss the topics covered and how they can apply this knowledge in the workplace. The QR code, when scanned, opens a PDF with the theory presented in the prototype and links for further reading. Robot Training Lab, a fun and educational team building activity. To find out more about Robot Training Lab or other projects I worked on, visit my portfolio at the following link.